Hi, this is Nadia at Elliott with Forex with your weekly overview for the British pound US dollar pair for the trading week starting Monday, 14th of September 2015. First off, my apologies for the bad audio quality as I'm going through a bad case of flu and sore throat. In our previous analysis, the alternate count expected cable to move toward the upside, but we were unable to specify a confirmation point. Cable unfolded upwards, reaching the specified target and continued toward the upside, invalidating that count. We are modifying the subdivisions within with 2 green for the main count, and as well adding an alternate count which expects that with 2 green is complete and that with 3 green is underway. The subdivisions within with 2 green do not provide the best fit, but the main count remains the most conservative count. As always, we will wait for either count confirmation point to be reached to determine the highly probable count, and we will assume that both counts have almost equal probabilities at this stage. Now, moving on to the main 6-hour chart, the main count expects that with 2 black is complete and that with 3 black is unfolding toward the downside. Within with 3 black, waves 1 and 2 pink are complete, and with 3 pink is at its early stages. Wave 1 pink unfolded as an impulse, labeled waves 1 through 5 green, and with 2 pink unfolded as a double zigzag, labeled waves W, X, and Y green. Wave W green unfolded as a zigzag, labeled A, B, and C orange, and wave X green unfolded as a zigzag, labeled A, B, and C orange. As well, wave Y green unfolded toward the upside as a zigzag, labeled A, B, and C orange, with wave C orange unfolding toward the upside as an impulse, labeled waves 1 through 5 purple, with wave 1 purple unfolding as a leading diagonal, labeled waves 1 through 5 active. After the completion of wave 2 pink, it's expected that within wave 3 pink, wave 1 green is complete as an impulse, labeled waves 1 through 5 orange, with wave 1 orange unfolding as an impulse, labeled waves 1 through 5 purple. This count expects that wave 2 green is unfolding toward the upside as a zigzag, with waves A and B orange complete, and wave C orange is underway. This count would be confirmed by movement above 1.5472, and we have 3 targets for the completion of wave 2 green. The first target is at 1.5492, as at that level wave C orange will reach 0.618, the length of wave A orange. And the second target is at 1.5510, as at that level wave 3 purple will reach equality with wave 1 purple. The final target is at 1.5570, as at that level wave 2 green will reach 0.618, the length of wave 1 green. This count would be invalidated by movement above 1.5820, as wave 2 green may not retrace more than 100% the length of wave 1 green. As well, this count would be invalidated by movement below 1.5338, as wave 2 purple within wave C orange may not retrace more than 100% the length of wave 1 purple. It should be noted that the invalidation point will be moved to the end of wave 2 purple once we have confirmation on the 6-hour chart that wave 3 purple is unfolding through the upside. We will move now to the alternate 6-hour chart, and the alternate 6-hour count expects that wave 2 green is complete as a zigzag, labeled A, B, and C orange, and that wave 3 green is starting to unfold toward the downside, with wave 1 orange unfolding as an impulse, labeled waves 1 through 5 purple, with waves 1 and 2 purple complete, and wave 3 purple is underway. This count would be confirmed by movement below 1.5372, and we have 3 targets for the completion of wave 3 purple. The first target is at 1.5353, as at that level wave 3 purple will reach 1.618, the length of wave 1 purple. The second target is at 1.5326, as at that level wave 3 purple will reach 200% the length of wave 1 purple, and the final target is at 1.5281, as at that level wave 3 purple would reach 2.618, the length of wave 1 purple. This count would be invalidated by movement above 1.5472, as within wave 3 purple, no second wave may retrace more than 100% the length of its first wave. So to wrap this up, this week's main count expects cable to continue moving toward the upside to complete a correction labeled wave 2 green, while the alternate count expects that correction to be complete and that cable is moving toward the downside in an impulsive manner within wave 3 green. That's all for me today. Happy trading and have a nice week.